Oh my god, I was just about to poke myself in the eye.
Did I mess up?
As you can see, I have a lot of dark circles going on. We're gonna go and hide them using makeup. Okay, let's go.
We'll be using a color corrector. I tried very expensive skincare, सब कुछ try किया पर कुछ हो नहीं रहा. So I was like, girly pop, let's get back to this. Let's just. By the way, I need a mirror. I couldn't find a mirror, but I found this. क्या है ये? So it's a highlighter. Am I supposed to keep this? I don't know, but I will. Okay.
ज़्यादा दिमाग मत लगा.
And I look crazy right now, but मेरी तो किस्मत नहीं खराब है कि I have hyperpigmented dark circles. I don't know what that even means. क्या है ये? Like all the brown girl problems have to hide the stash. What do you guys think? I think it's enough. It's enough. A little bit of here. If you think I need more, do you think I need more? ये क्या है? What the? Why do I keep doing stuff like this? Oh my god, I was just about to poke myself in the eye. Putting concealer over the color corrector to kind of neutralize it. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, you know. I'm not. Don't come at me that ye chudiya wo chudiya. I'm not. I look like a complete joker. But you have to look like this before so that you can slay later on. Damn! There's a little bit of a lighter shade of concealer. Just gonna put it over this one. Now we're gonna let this sit and then blend it.
A few moments later.
This is a concealer brush, so I'll just be using this to blend in the concealer. I don't really like the feeling of makeup on my face, to be honest. But yeah, like, you know, I need to do it for my eyes because, let's be honest, I need it.
Who the hell cares?
But I don't like the feeling of foundation. I don't like that feeling of achiness on my skin, to be honest. So I try to keep it as minimal as I can. Now this is, so I have to do it because other than, मतलब I don't know इसको कैसे hide किया जा सकता है. ऐसे नहीं तो कैसे करें? If anybody knows a better solution to keep it minimalist and ये सब ना करूँ मैं, then please share that to me. Oh my god, my headband is going behind. Don't leave me, please. Like everybody else does. My eyes started watering. They are so sensitive. Just like me. Sometimes I think it's a curse. ऐसे नहीं लगाते, I swear ऐसे नहीं लगाते, but I'm a little bit lazy. So that's why there's a mirror over here and बिना mirror के मुझसे हो नहीं रहा है. My eyes are watering. जल्दी कैसे रो देते कोई. You know, I'm one of those people, I think, जो गुस्से में, you know, when you get like very much, you're furious, you're mad, मतलब ऐसा हो रहा है कि सामने वाले की तो मतलब लगा दूंगी मैं. Suddenly तुम्हारे आंखों से ये बड़े आंसू आ जाते हैं. So embarrassing. कैसे कर रही हूँ मैं? क्या कर रही हूँ मैं? Next up is the powder blush. Because I was too lazy to do cream blush, so we'll be doing this. This is the shade I will be using. It's so bad. This you can put like over here. It's up to you. But I prefer doing it all over. Because why not? Camera पे दिख के नहीं आता है वो. So that's why I have to do it. A little bit on nose and a little bit on. एक हसीना थी. We're gonna be lining our lips. Brown lip liner. I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl shit.
12 seconds later.
Oh god, I messed up. I need to focus. Please bear with me. When you have small lips and thin lips and you just want it to look juicy, this is like small lip girl's problem. What was that? Small thin lip girl problem. Yeah. Sure, I'm messing up, right? What am I doing?
Stop it. Get some help.
Why does it look all swollen? Can someone explain? Kuch to say something.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What the? Am I doing something wrong? Oh my god. Okay. One side is fixed, the other side. Oh my god, it's taking forever. Oh my god, is it looking cute? It's looking cute. Nahin. Guys, I know I look like a duck, but trust the process, you know, they say. Just trust it. I'm literally looking like a duck. I think they're looking good, okay?
Okay.
No need to overreact. I think they need some like contouring. Like this. Pata nahi what I'm doing, but it's called contouring, lip contour. Dude, these look like massive. I mean, are they looking massive? What is this? I just wanna like clear that off, take it off. Like this. I hate this, but now let's just wing it. मेरी आंखों से आंसू आ रहा है. Oh my god, but the difference, you guys. यहाँ पे पाउडर है. कौन बताएगा मुझे ये सब? कौन बताएगा? हाँ. This is how you take care of powder. No. Let's do this one. रोना नहीं है. Did I do something? Did it do something? Yeah. But थोड़ा सा mess up हो गया है. But it's fine. Guys, also I got a new kajal. I had a good kajal, okay? It was from K Beauty. Yeah, this is the one. But unfortunately, while traveling, इसका cap निकल गया था, and then as expected, there is a lot of kajal left, but it's all dried up, and now it won't go in. Okay. And I'm so much hurt by it. This one is also good, by the way. Let's hope I won't cry this time, okay?
Okay.
Be strong.
Okay.
Bye. क्या हो रहा है ये? Like एक लाइनर नहीं. It's because of the camera. I'm not going to look at you.
Okay.
क्या तो ऐसे रही है जैसे she's a top makeup artist. Nice. 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 It did something. अभी दूसरी आँख is the real challenge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know how to do this, but like let's try it. It's not even a good angle. Take the little finger and just like do this. Extend it like that. Same with the other eye. नहीं करना चाहिए था. Little bit of highlighter. Eyebrows बचे हैं. I know that. Contouring तो मैं करती नहीं. Because I think that's a little extra. तो अब मेरा मूड नहीं है. Why would I do that? ज़्यादा भी नहीं लगाना है. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but लग रहा है, I swear लग रहा है. It's fine, okay? Now I will show you the finished look because we are done, officially done. No eyeshadow because why? It's a no makeup look. By the way, I'm looking
Giving Latina.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. This is the finished look. I'll meet you guys soon in the next one. Do let me know how you feel about this look in the comments down below. Till then, bye bye, take care.